Hi there, I'm Thales, Chief Technology Officer at Analytics ROI. Often I'm in a situation where I have to explain business people the role of a data warehouse and how an organization can benefit from its use. So, a data warehouse is a unified database that holds all the business information of an organization. And that data in the data warehouse can be available to all users across the organization. Basically, a data warehouse will store data from a wide range of sources within the organization, and the data will be used to guide management decisions. So, for example, let's say you got all sales information stored in a CRM solution, and the financial data is stored in a ERP system, along with other information. And some of the organization's inventory data can be stored in another system as well. As you can see, data can be stored in different systems, and that can be a challenge for the organization, especially if we needed to combine the data from these three different systems for reporting and insights. Now, let's say we are grabbing data from all three different systems for reporting and insights. Well, if that is the case, then that would require from the business users and the decision makers some technical knowledge and hands-on in order to extract the data from these different systems. And they would have to have a good grasp of querying languages such as SQL and T-SQL. And that also would require great knowledge of all these system databases structure. And not only that, but the time you would have to spend building reports and trying to make sense of the data could simply take forever. Now, with the data warehouse in place, we basically consolidated the data into a single database. And we do that by extracting the data from these different systems. Then we transform the data, and then we load the data into the destination, which in this case will be the data warehouse. Now, one of the problems in building a data warehouse is time. This process can be time consuming because in most cases, data warehouses are manually built by data warehouse designers, developers, and so on. So the manual process of building a data warehouse could be 6 to 7 months. And 60% of this time would be spent in extracting, transforming, and loading the data. And that is where Analytics ROI come into play because our data warehouse automation software will drastically reduce the development time to build the data warehouse. For example, instead of spending 6 months to build it, we can drastically reduce the development time to a couple of weeks or a month. And that is because the whole process is automated. So an organization would not only be making a good investment in buying a data warehouse automation software, but it also would be saving money over time. The truth of the fact is that most of the organizations will spend money with a 6 month data warehouse project, with hopes that there is no need to rebuild the data warehouse or portion of it. And most of these organizations believe they are not going to need more budget for the project. But that doesn't happen in most of the cases. So the more delay there is in building the data warehouse manually, the more money goes into the project. And this is where we here at Analytics ROI will help your organization to save time and money. Now let's take a look at some of the benefits of having a data warehouse automation software in place. The first one is delivery time and faster reporting and great insights with your data that your organization may not be seeing right now. The second benefit is lower development cost. And here your organization will be saving time and money. The next benefit your organization will have is better decision being made sooner. Decision makers and users don't need to wait 6 months or a year to start making better decisions and start seeing trends and patterns in the data. So today, organizations are waking up to the fact that waiting 6 months for a business intelligence project to complete is no longer acceptable. And we here at Analytics ROI can help your organization to build a data warehouse and BI projects fairly quickly. Now, there is much more information that I'm going to be sharing with you about data warehouse, business intelligence, and reporting in this page in our website. And additional videos will be added to this page on weekly basis, which is to help our customers and you who are not our customer yet to understand what we do and how Analytics ROI can help your organization. If you would like to obtain more information about us or contact us, please visit our website www.analyticsroi.com. And you also can contact me directly if you wish at rsilva@analyticsroi.com. So I would like to thank you for viewing this video, and I will see you in the next one.